Today's chemical of the month is our heat activated grill cleaner, better known as our Heatalizer. This product is used on a flat top at 375 degrees. Is a great temperature. You put this product on, it'll bubble up for about 10-15 seconds. You take a scraper and then you scrape that off. Then very easily take a wet rag, wipe that area down. This product has nothing in it that will transfer into food. It is USDA approved to be on that flat top and any cooking surface. Again, this is our Heatalizer, our flat top heat activated grill cleaner, perfect at 375 degrees. Any questions that you may have, contact your local area manager.